How to modify Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. As a Linux user, I'm a heavy workspace user. Windows 10 has that, but I would still like to switch between them the way I do in Linux, where I use Control plus Alt plus right or left to switch between workspaces. However, for Windows 10 it's rather Control plus Windows plus right or left. How do I modify these Windows 10 shortcuts to those of Linux?
One cannot change the Windows shortcuts, but one can intercept keys and change them on the fly. AutoHotkey is a great program for remapping keyboard keys. Here are the steps to set this up. Download and install AutoHotkey. Create a text file named startup.awk and paste the following inside to map. Control plus Alt plus right slash left to. Control plus Win plus right slash left. Caret right column caret hashtag right. Caret left column caret hashtag left. Save and run the script to test its functionality. If it performs as expected, copy the script into the startup folder. To find the startup folder in Windows 10, open Run, press Win plus R, or search for it in the Start menu, and type either, without quotes, shell startup for the current user, or shell common startup for all users. Copy startup.awk to the folder that opens.
I tried Harim's script but it didn't work. So I modified it and the following one worked for me. Everything else was fine. Then I improved the script by adding the following lines. This allows to emulate a 2x2 grid with up and down arrows to navigate between rows. Edit. The sleep command was added to allow the animation to finish before sending the second send, otherwise I have seen some occurrences where this second instruction was ignored.